In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a mosaic image, picture, or photo effect in Pixlr online completely for free. If you want to learn how to make content effortlessly, scan the QR code, check out the video description, or click the link down below and subscribe to the channel if you find value. Once you have the image loaded and selected, click the fifth option where it says Effect or the circle option. Scroll down until you see the option Artsy, and then under the third option where it says Mosaic, click on it. As you can see, this is the desired preset, but if you want to mess with the settings, you can click the circle icon and drag it to the left, and you can see the strength of the mosaic effect looks different, or it becomes less, and as you drag it to the right, you get more of the effect, and then click Apply.
Again, if you want to save hundreds of hours of money per year editing content, then check out the video description, scan the QR code, or click the link down below, and thanks for watching this tutorial.